I'm Randy Vance. Today I have the privilege of testing the Whaler 210 Montauk. Now, Whaler is one of the most storied brands in the marine world. Its prestige rests on over 50 years of tradition, yet its engineers don't rest on that tradition. In fact, every boat they look at every year to figure out how they can tweak it, bring it to the cutting edge, or in the case of the 210, update it to make it vital in this marine marketplace that's so competitive. We're going to walk you through this boat right now, starting with the results of our performance testing from earlier today.
The 210's hull is solid thanks to Whaler's Unibond construction. You could feel the strength as we were underway. 3 Mercury power options are available. They include a 4-stroke 150, a Verado 150, and the Verado 200, which was on our test boat. Our test prop was an Inertia 14 1/4 by 18-inch pitch. With a test load of 365 pounds of passengers and 36 gallons of fuel, it reached a top speed of 46.5 miles per hour. Its most efficient cruising speed was 22.2 miles per hour at 3,500 RPM, and it got us 4.5 miles per gallon.
Now, one of the attractions of the 210 Montauk is its versatility. Whaler starts out by expanding this helm station to give you plenty of room for electronics and a great view of your instrumentation. We like the T-top here. You've got sturdy stanchions, but they've left the view forward clear and unobstructed by lowering the cross pieces that give it strength. Now, it comes with rocket launchers, and that helps feed the fisherman's appetite. Now, this is the standard leaning post. Now, there's plenty of dry storage underneath, a small tackle station for Plano boxes, and we like the way the back flips fore and aft. You can flip it forward for trolling and facing aft. We really like that setup. Now, aft you have the optional live well. If you don't need that, you can have it removed for more cockpit space, or replace it with a bench seat that goes from port to starboard, leaving a little walk-through to the transom area. We really like the way Whaler has incorporated the boarding ladder here. You can see that it's angled. It keeps you far away from the propeller. It's also a nice safety feature for reboarding should you fall overboard, or if you just want to go swimming and climb back on easily. I really like the way the transom rod holders are set. These double for the seat back supports for a relaxing lounge seat if you should opt for those. Also, there are stainless steel rod holders incorporated into each side rail, giving you an additional 4 to make the serious angler a happy man. Now, forward, Whaler has added to functionality and maintained some traditions while adding innovations. Tradition, you have the anchor locker here that drains overboard. You've also got the wide bow with the non-skid on the surface that gives you a great casting platform or a place to mount a trolling motor. Plenty of room up here to fish. A new innovation is the port to starboard fish locker. Raise the lid, it's insulated underneath, and you can also keep cold drinks in it if you prefer. The fishing seat is a nice little option. It swivels to give you the best position from which to cast. Here you have the fishing package, which includes this seat cooler. You've got a seat back and 6 rod holders to add even more versatility for the angler. If you go with the trolling motor, you can also add the trolling motor battery panel below. Now, Whaler is one of the first to be EPA compliant with the 210 Montauk. The boat we've tested today has the 200 horsepower Verado on it. The Whaler 210 Montauk comes standard with a 150 4-stroke EFI and a trailer. Regardless of how you power your boat, you're going to get with it the Whaler tradition and prestige.